In this video, I'm going to share with you Adobe Photoshop latest discount coupon code promo that will help you to get the software with the discount price. Just you have to go to this website. Also, you can click on my video description link. Now, what you have to do is click on this continue button, then it will redirect you to the official website. Now, if you want, you can try the software for free for 1 month, which will help you to edit any photo that you want. The good part is, if you click on this see all plans, then you will see they will show you Adobe Photoshop and Creative Cloud all the app discount price. Here you can see, you can also check out the others product. Here you can see all you will get discount. Now for individual, if you click the see plan and pricing details, then here you can see you will get all of these 20 plus software with the discount price. Here you can see Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Premiere Pro, all the software you will get the best discount. The good part is, if you check out, then here you can see for student and teachers you will get 60% off discount. Just click to see what's included, then you will see all of this software. Here you can see Photoshop, Illustrator, and all of this software you will get 60% off discount. Also, if you click on this continue button, then if you go to the website last option and click on this special offer, then you will see they will also give you 30% off on the Creative Cloud all apps. So you will also get Adobe Photoshop discount if you check out this individual plan. Also for student teachers you will get 60% off, and you can also check out the business plans if you want. I hope my video helped you. Make sure you like my video, share my video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.